It's the Nicholas Maxim Award for Excellent Penmanship, and it's for the category of manuscript handwriting to Ms. Annie Clark.
I'm Kathleen Wright. I'm the National Product Manager for Handwriting for Zaner Blauser Publishing. And this is a very special award. It's a brand new category in our National Handwriting Contest, which is called the Nicholas Maxim Special Award for Excellence in Penmanship. And we have two divisions. One is manuscript and one is cursive. And Annie Clark has won the manuscript division championship for this award.
What did you write?
Annie Clark, April 18.
Can you write April?
Do you think your handwriting makes you really like a good student?
Yeah. Do you feel good about when you write well?
Yeah,
How come?
because it made me to do a nightly handwriting and to do sew and to learn how to write more.
That's great. That's great. Do you feel like maybe later on you may write a book? Think so? Really? What do you think you're going to write about?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Maybe about aliens?
Non-fiction? Non-fiction or fiction?
Maybe both.
Both? Wow. Okay, what kind of animals do you think you'll write about?
Like a farm.
A farm. Endangered species. Yeah, I remember we talked about those, yeah.